Create electronic signature in just 3 easy steps. First step, put your signature to a piece of paper. It should be noted that it is better to use a sign pen to get good quality results. Second step, using a cell phone, take a photo of your signature. Third step, to remove the background of the image, use an online background remover. Tip: just type in your Chrome online background remover and you will see lots of results to choose a website that you will use for editing. In this tutorial I'm going to use RemoveBG website. Proceed with the editing process. Upload the photo you took earlier. After that, all you need to do is click the download button to save it to your device. Isn't it just so simple? And there you have it. You already have an e-signature. You can also email it, then download or directly forward it to your computer to use in your reports.